Hello guys and welcome to another video on from Technical Living. This is Jonathan. Today I am going to teach you how to remove your background without green screen. Okay, so you have to download wondershare uniconverter. They have launched it sometime back in November. So today I'm going to teach you something called wondershare uniconverter, and so you'll be able to open up and see this. Now what we're going to do today is we're going to do something called AI portrait. As you can see here, AI portrait separates video with artificial intelligence AI and switch background. Meaning to say, when I record, I can switch the background off my video without green screen. So here's how we're going to do it. First, open up wondershare uniconverter. Now links are down below, so do remember to subscribe, like, and do remember that the link is down there. So click on the link to download this software. This software is free, and it's not to say free, but you will need to pay, as now I'm on a trial version. So yeah, so you can actually select a annual plan. They have business plan and there are many plans in here. So anyway, I'm just going to put the website down in the comment description below, so check it out. All right, now back to here. So you can see that there is one thing called auto refrain, smart trimmer. So but anyway, today we're going to do something called AI portrait. Now, AI portrait can also be seen in a wondershare Filmora X. However, the AI portrait does not really work, and I think they've removed it recently during the recent update. So anyway, we're going to use this. So now we can see that here this separates video portraits with AI intelligence and switch background. So here's how we're going to do it. First, click on open, and you will see a blank piece here. And now down here you can actually change the location of your save with whichever location where you want to save. Let's say maybe when I want to export, I would like to put maybe at let's create a folder. Maybe click that PC and I want to save it on desktop, and just right click and make new folder. So new folder. And so alright, so I'm going to save it in a new folder for the time being. Okay, so now I want to change the background. To do this, I'm going to take an example of my recent presentation that I did. So I'm just going to go here, and I'm just going to go here. And now so what I'm going to do is that, do remember that the format you have to export it is not under, I think, MOV. Should it be able to go to? Yeah, MOV will be able to.
My name is Lim Kai. The first slide for me is
anyway. So this is how the video is going to look like. This is his original video. So this is his original.
My name is Lim Kai.
Is my friend. His original video. So now what I'm going to do is that I find that this is not a very nice background, and you know, it's his house. Maybe I want to change the background, or I hate this background. No, I just hate it. It sucks. Okay, so here's how we're going to solve it without having to put a green screen. That's why green screen is expensive. You cannot afford. You need a lighting. So it costs about 20,000-30,000 around there for a good green screen setup. Okay, so now, you know, maybe I don't like it. It's too expensive. It's not my budget. I cannot afford. I have bad lighting. I have this, I have that. Okay, fine. I have good lighting. Fine, but I hate the background. I just hate the background. Okay, fine. Now here's how we're going to do it. First, open your video, and I'm going to import my video, and make sure it is in MP4. No, I think MOV. Would it be able to go in? Yes, MOV. So now you will notice that the background is being removed. So now what I can do is you can see on my right, I can on my right there are a few options. There are two options mainly. One is the preset option that I can set, which is this. And so now when I play the video,
it's like for me solution after getting
so now there's a background
the
here.
norm in Malaysia.
But of course, not everything is perfect because why you still have the what do you call this line. But well, since I can't afford the green screen, why not? I try something like this. Okay? Instead of well, you know, buying a green screen and I can't afford, what I'm going to do is that I can select from the preset. They're giving you a preset. Maybe I wanted this, or I wanted this, or if you're shooting a, maybe you just want to create a promotional video. Now, if you want to create a promotional video, or you would like to change the background, maybe it doesn't look so nice, or if you want to make yourself look in the office. So now maybe I don't like the pictures here. As you can see, it's only very limited. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 pictures, and colors you can select. You can select any colors that you want. So you want color background, but you'll be too bored, right? So maybe I want to select a background from the internet that I like. Maybe I want to have well, maybe say a nice living room. Maybe a rich living room. So I have you know, many backgrounds. Maybe I like this. Okay, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to right click on the photo. I'm going to click save image as. Right, save image as. In this case, I'm going to save it in this PC on my desktop, since I already have one. Save it in the folder, or I want to save it in desktop, right? So I save it in desktop. Then I rename it as, since I'm doing a sample, I'll do the test photo. Okay, so this is the name you're going to do, and we're going to click save. Now it's saved. Okay, so what I'm going to do is that I'm going to import the photo. So I'm going to import the photo. Now, drag and drop the photo to import. So drag and drop, or you have to click. In this case, we can't drag and drop. Usually, we can drag and drop. You can see the other video. But now, we have to remember to add image. That's the only way we can do it. So to add image, now, so where did I save? I saved it at desktop. So desktop, I saved the name, test photo. Now open the photo, and then click on this. Alright, click on this photo that you have selected. As you can see now, the photo is being imported. It's here. So now you can see the video, you see, the background is changed. And when I play,
cultural and social
it's as simple as this.
Problems,
and I can click export. Export. And yeah, so anyway, you can just continue trial. The trial is for about 7 to 14 days. So yeah, you can see that you will need to pay a 45 USD a year, which is expensive. So anyway, I'm just going to continue trial. So I'm just going to export it. So now do remember, if you put a heavy graphic, in order for them to change, it's going to take a bit longer time, right, for you to export due to the heavy graphics. So you can see here, right, the houses, the touch up, you can see here the touch up and everything. So you can also edit and crop using this scissors tool. But anyway, today I'm just going to teach you how to use AI Portrait to change background. Anyway, that's the way to change the background. Or if let's say I recorded in Zoom, you know, and I hate the background. Although I can add the virtual background, but it's, well, not sharp, not too sharp. You know, it's not so nice. So you know, I can just import the photo, and to make it sharp, I can download whichever format that I want. Sharp photo. And that's it. And I'm just going to show you this video.
My name is by being aware of their friendship.
So the background has literally changed, and that's how you do it. So from here, alright,
my name is
to the background that we have changed, which is this. So, alright, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Do remember to like and subscribe, and leave your comments below. Do remember that the link is down below, so download and try it out.